Are we still doing that? Are we still shooting?
Yeah, let's.
May time pa naman natin. JF Master.
No, yeah, you guys need to figure out what you guys want to do and all this.
Oh, meron na.
Sampal.
Pwede.
So if anything, I'll just render it at home.
Render this.
Yeah, take out the
Ang tagal naman ito.
Malapit na yan.
Lapit niya.
Kailangan mag-build yung ano eh.
Ha! Point.
Silaw naman niya.
Ay, naka-flash ba?
Ang lapit kasi.
That's perfect.